Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Wix website template. We'll begin by exploring the vast library of professional templates available, helping you choose the perfect starting point. Next, we'll dive into customizing your selected template, making it uniquely yours with personalized design elements. Then, we'll focus on adding your essential content, from compelling text to engaging media. Finally, I'll guide you through the simple steps to publish your stunning new website. Choosing the right template is your first crucial step. Wix offers more than 800 professionally designed templates, categorized for easy browsing. Take your time to preview several options, ensuring the layout and style align with your vision. Think about your website's purpose and who you want to reach. Remember, you can always start with a blank canvas if you prefer total creative control from the ground up. Now, let's make that template truly yours. The Wix editor provides a powerful drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to place elements precisely where you want them. You can effortlessly change colors, fonts, and backgrounds to reflect your brand's identity. Easily upload and integrate your own images, videos, and engaging galleries. The intuitive design tools give you complete creative freedom to craft a unique and professional online presence. With your design perfected, it's time to add your compelling content. Fill each page with informative text, engaging images, and relevant videos. Ensure all media is optimized for quick loading, providing a smooth user experience. Before going live, thoroughly review your site on both desktop and mobile devices to guarantee responsiveness. Once satisfied, connect your custom domain and hit publish to share your amazing website with the world.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.